nothing.
Damn, babe.
I'm sorry. That was mean. That was mean, guys. I'm sorry. We had the update on tripods too. Like, especially one for the car. Really. The other one is fine. Break yourself, fool.
What?
Need to give me the bag.
A new bag?
Yeah, I won't be in the bag.
Okay.
I'm gonna get me one next week. Huh?
Steve Madden?
Yeah.
Some fucking service on it. You do the same.
Look at this one. Now look at your eggs. It's hot.
Yeah.
Be careful. Hey, listen. Have you ever wanted to just hear a shootout and I'm about to put your foot in it?
Yeah.
Want to taste the Gouda?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. She's in. You can have that. So, if they didn't hear me, the words would be below.
Oh,
Yeah, some people deaf.
caption.
Yeah, some people deaf, babe.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we traveled some ways and now we getting gas. Wait, no, we're not getting gas.
What the fuck? I need to go get this check.
What check?
That
What check?
check, man.
What check?
That check.
What check?
Saying stuff that's not there.
It is a camera pack. Ladies, I don't open doors. Yo, if you go in that store. Oh, yeah, open my door, bitch. You hear me, babe? I said, open my door, bitch. Why we here? Oh.
If you want that, they might have the sun hat.
Oh, like a literal sun hat? And that would be dope to have a real sun hat.
Like, I thought I would have some.
Oscar in there? Yeah.
I ain't seen nothing like that in a little minute.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we used to have them, but no, I ain't seen nothing like that in a little minute. We had them like
Shank got back $1. She must have had a whole attitude. You heard me? I should have yanked back through the corner.
Hey, you know, some people they be mad they got work and other people off.
I'm gonna stop being nice to people. Cause I've been seeing how people can get away with shit. I don't with that.
I ain't even noticed this shit though.
It's just like, I'm telling who the f*** Hello? What I'm doing?
Yeah.
Nothing, getting gas.
But I merge you in the car with mommy.
Alright.
Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, girl.
Yeah. Do y'all have $1 so you can pay this new for you?
I don't know.
Oh, you done got $9 you've been doing hair all week.
Cause I only have cash.
So long. I can just take up for to send it to you. Cash up, some cash.
Because he's not going to want to do that.
You don't want to cash you $9?
He's not going to want to send it for what y'all need it for.
So why are you telling him what we need it for?
He already know what y'all need it for because he heard about it when he got out the car.
If you ask me, you're your mom's daughter.
Okay.
Alright, deuces.
I'm sorry, cause
They had some, but I don't know if you would like them. They're like
what color?
little kid type.
What is it? Solid colors?
Yeah.
I don't get it. You took a picture? Want me to come in? Is some on the other side?
Yeah, it's more around there, but.
You're welcome. I'm thinking it's something on my mama.
That, right. Bro, y'all ain't got $9?
Nah, they said team up and pay $9 for the Netflix bill.
Bruh.
But like,
Why you even still
I
connected to that? We got Netflix.
I'm not. That's why I was confused. My husband said no.
Nobody should be calling you. Nobody should be calling you. They might have pissed me off.
Babe, no, calm down, calm down.
Nobody should be calling you. And they call you for that? Not this, how are you doing?
Oh.
Not how are you doing, you know.
Alright, stop. Like, I'm not as deep in emotion as you are because it's normal to me to where we would team up and pay things. But now that I'm married, it's complicated because it's like, y'all, what? Why are y'all? Thank you, baby. I stay have some in here. Yeah, that's dope. Oh, that's dope. I can't see. Now we are on the way. Yeah, you definitely gonna lose me in the woods. You definitely not gonna lose me in the woods. All that damn noise. Alright. Man, oh we shit that make noise. We getting out now with the twins, man. Never shut that shit up. Oh wow.
Hey, first time here. The walking trail, is this way or are we
Yes. We got two of them.
right.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
This is a map, y'all. We definitely gonna leave a real review. People must be coming here daily.
Yeah. I carried a heavy bag, so.
Wow.
You want to carry it?
I don't know. I don't matter, babe. Bruh, not even.
Chris,
Let
what
me
you got
just.
bottle for? Ain't even that much water in there. You don't need that.
Big joints, boy. This, no, this. Let's do all of them. Skip. Does it have like a slot to go in? Anyone here? Dope. Thank you, baby. How do I put this on? So it goes on my neck, correct? I think I should let my hair lay down.
It's not comfortable?
Weird. It's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what we going first? So like, oh no, risky. I don't know where he going. Now we's walking and we's walking and we's walking and we's walking. The water's over there. My man's right here. And I'm right here. Walking. So I remember saying something about breadcrumbs, but they have their own breadcrumbs. They have blue markings on the trees. And we're walking now. Sooner or later, no one will hear him scream. Like that was gonna scare me. Hey, this hat blowing me. Oh, look at this huge log. Wow. Dig a bugger. Dig a bugger. Dig a bugger, dig a bugger, dig a bugger. So this, no, because if that was a road, so we're here.
Oh, that's this. Oh, that's a red thing. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. They need to put red things.
Yeah, because the map is this way, baby, like this.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know, we're walking down. So. I feel like that's what messed us up during
I
that.
just never seen that part,
Oh.
and I didn't expect it actually to be dark.
Okay. Trust me, ready? I know. Nah, I said I ain't walk that fast. You can come up with me. Okay, so we traveled for about an hour and a half and got lost because somebody don't know where they going. And now we eating tuna.
Ranch. If you brought it.
We eating tuna. We eating tuna. But I want to say we almost there, but I don't want to lie. Nothing?
Huh?
I said, I'm sweating so far. What about you?
You told me I was sweating my back.
Yep. You don't feel it? Well. Need help? Oh, Lord. Did we go this way? Wow. That's dope. Why you say that?
Because the way we came out, that's not the trail we came out. The bathroom to the left,
Uh-huh.
not to the right.
Oh, I feel you.
Right. But on the map, we have to the left.
Maybe we went backwards.
Yep. Oh, yeah. All right.
Hello, sir. Back to the water, guys.
I'm ready.
What was you about to show me, babe? I've never been here before. Right with you. Yeah, thank you, baby. Now it's in the night. It was $3.90. Thought I did.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. I did. Get your ass. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Hoo, hoo, hoo.